Hey guys, I'm done eating my food, and guess what it caused me to get? Hiccups. Raise your hand if you've been wanting. Pigs make me sneeze. We're on that book now. How many tissues is that? Let's find out. That looks like 50. I ain't even counting them all. Let's get started. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. I wonder who illustrated it. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Am I reading the right book? This looks the same. Cause look at this is the first book we read, and this is the second book we read. Why is Piggy still doing cartwheels? Shouldn't we just read this book first? Cause it zoo. Okay, let's keep going. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes? Wait, what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Achoo! Sniff, are you okay? I don't know, achoo! I cannot, achoo! Sneezing, oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Ooh, and they're best friends. Bum, 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 bum. Then we cannot be friends. Bum, 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 bum. Then we must be apart forever. Bum 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 bum. This is going sad. But Gerald, no, do not speak. Bum 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 bum. This Gerald crying on the page 28, and that on page 29 it says do not speak. It is too late.
Go get in the bed, bruh.
Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Huh? There's Gerald. A tear rolling down his face as if he was sad. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Pat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. He's hugging that cat pretty much. Dr. Cat. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Okay, that is the end of our story, and it was more than 52 pages. That's right. It had how many? 59 or 57. So, raise your hand if you want more books. Raise your hand if you don't want more books. I'll see you later. But first, if you comment about what happened to someone else, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you didn't. So, I'll tell you the little quick story. I was running. It was me, Sama, and Bella running this way. And the boys was coming this way. And I was the first one running. And Bradley was coming and crashed. Like a car accident, but it wasn't. And I fell on the concrete, on my face. He didn't get hurt. All he got was a little scratch, which is pretty much nothing. And I even scraped my hand. It was my right hand. And I had to go to the nurse, but luckily I didn't have to go home. So when my mom saw it, it was not pretty good. Mommy? Hello?
I'm trying to write a paper, alright?
You're probably writing a paper because it's still weird how you're in college and you're 33 years old.
It doesn't matter what age you are. You can go to school anytime, alright? You can go to college anytime.
Even when you're 7?
College.
It's still pretty crazy. You should be done with school by now. Mommy, can I ask you something? Would you like to tell my fans on YouTube what happened when you saw my face? The first day it was like this. Would you like to present? The camera's on you. Would you like to present? Okay. I guess she's not gonna answer. Look my crown I got. It reminds me of Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. And this is a pretty small crown. I'm pretty sure it's for a baby. Literally. It is literally for a baby. I mean, look how small it is. And look how big my head is compared to this. But I'll make it work. I mean, I could make it work like this, but it's not gonna work with the bonnet on. Whoops. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fans. See you tomorrow. Mwah.